Hey, Russell Leeds here, and I want to share with you the 3 things that you need to be doing in your business now that we are on lockdown. Now, the thing is, this is quite a scary time at the moment. You know, the whole country is locking down, you're not allowed out in the streets, and a lot of businesses are closing down, and people don't know what to do, and people are panicking. So I thought I'd share with you the 3 things that I'm doing right now in my business that I thought maybe you might find pretty helpful and something that you can maybe do in your business. Now, when the masses at the moment, the masses are all just watching Netflix and sitting at home, getting comfy, this is actually a time for action. You should be taking action on your business and using this time wisely. The first thing that I'd recommend you doing is get applying for the loans. They have COVID-19 business loans. My business account is with Santander. I've been ringing them, chasing them to see if we can get a loan in place to help cover the ongoing costs, as we're not bringing any money. They've not been very helpful, to be fair. I've now moved on to Lloyds. I've got an account with Lloyds. They've got an email address specifically designed to apply for business loans for COVID-19, so I've approached them. But you need to be jumping on the bandwagon fast because that money will go. So if you've got a business, apply for a loan. Get in a loan to cover your ongoing costs while you're not going to bring in any money. That's the first thing. The second thing you should be doing is using this time wisely to do all the things that you want to do but don't ever have time for. We've been wanting, it's worked quite nicely, we've been wanting to take our business online and offer online courses for ages, but stuff always gets in the way. Now we've got all this time, we've been filming loads of videos, been setting up the online website, we've been doing all this stuff that we've been wanting to do for ages, but not had time for. I'm probably working harder now, even though I'm at home, than I've ever worked before. 14, 15-hour days trying to get all this stuff done, because now is such a great time. While everyone else is shut down, you should be working really, really hard on the stuff that's really important for your business that you've not been able to do. So number 1, make sure you apply for the loans. Number 2, catch up on all the work that's really important that you never get time to do. And number 3, and this is one of the most important ones, is take the time to educate yourself. I'm a massive believer in education for business owners, entrepreneurs. You know, we go through school, we don't really know anything about it. We go through school and then we just get thrown into the world of entrepreneurship if you start your own business and there's no education for it. However, there are lots of books, there are lots of online videos. I mean, I've got a series on sales which I'm doing on here, check that out. But use this time, if you have free time, use this time to educate yourself. How can you plan for your business to make it better? How can you strategize? What can you learn? What areas can you improve your sales skills? Can you improve your marketing skills? What can you do to make your business? Do not use this time idly. Do not sit around watching Netflix all day. Do not sit around moaning, watching the news, moaning about the bad things. Use this time to focus on the positives and start educating yourself. Attend webinars. You know, we've been doing webinars recently, still got some going on about property investments. In fact, I'll pop a link underneath this video. Check those out. Do whatever you can to use this time as wisely as you can. That is what I'm doing. I hope you do the same as well. They're the 3 things that I'm doing right now. I mean, I might add to this, but right now, I'm seriously trying to apply for a bank loan. Which would be really, really useful if that comes off, which I'm sure it will. I'm educating myself, and I'm doing all the stuff in my business that I haven't had time to at this point. You know, we don't know how long this is going to last, but I certainly think it's an opportunity to work on the areas that sometimes get left to the side. So I hope you found that very, very helpful. If you've got any tips that you'd like to share that you think you should be doing in your business, please do comment below. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you same time next week.